Hi guys, I'm Andy Moss from Moss Technical, and I'm the UK distributor for Niko Home Control in the UK. I've got an exciting afternoon at Moss Technical here because I'm going to be unboxing this, which is the brand new garden post in the Niko Hydro range. So Niko have kindly sent me this over. This is what it looks like once it's all assembled. Part number 701366635 in this instance, but I'm just going to take you through what's in the box. Now, Niko have done the Hydro range for many years now. It's a real high quality product, 4-year manufacturer's warranty. Now, the beauty is this is an example of the 2-button switch. The front buttons pop off and then you unscrew it, but it's already unscrewed, so I'm just going to waggle that off there. Really tough outer case. This is available in white, grey and black. The black, as you can see here. The beauty is that we have lots of inserts that can go into here, everything from single switch, double switch, the European sockets, the UK sockets, double USB charging points, double data points, things like that, you know, single data points, speaker terminals, you name it. So we've got a whole range available. And more importantly, which is quite unique, is these are available in surface mount and flush mount. So so this could go up nice and flush on the outside of your house. And like I say, once it's all assembled together, then obviously the cover goes on there. Now, if I can just show you a little bit about the cover before I actually get into unboxing. This is unique. Niko actually, there's a seal here, a little rubber seal. I don't know if you can actually see it there. I'm just looking to see if it actually focuses. But as you can see there and under my fingernail, that's a rubber seal. That rubber seal isn't a separate device. This is actually injection molded at the point of, you know, both the seal and the plastic are injection molded at the same time. So they're actually bonded and melted together. So for all you electricians that have struggled with leaky sockets and things like that, because the seals become dislodged, you don't have any worries here. So you can see there the rubber seal that's actually bonded to it. So there's no dramas there. I'm just going to put that to one side now. So let's get this out of the box now. Let's get rid of the packaging. Okay. So this is the base. This is what goes into the ground. And this is a 3mm stainless steel spike, okay, that the cables come up the inside through the hole there and then into the actual unit itself. So I'm just going to pop that off to one side. I'll show you how that goes together in a second. Let's get this out. Heavy. I would say it's approximately probably a couple of kilos in weight. Okay, so it really is quite a heavy unit, very solid. Let's move that out of the way. This is the white version, which is triple socket, but we do these in singles, doubles, and triples, and we also do them in all the colors as well. So this is the white version, but we do grey and we also do black as well. If I just take this apart now, again, these are normally screwed up and solid with the flap. But in packaging, they just come off nice and easily, just for ease of assembly. So if I just take all these little covers off here now, all the little flaps, you'll see that they're actually a European socket inside the sample that they've given us. Of course, we're in the UK, so this is no good to us, but we do have a UK version as well. If you take a look at the actual the guts of it here, we can just quite simply pop these out very easily. Okay, like that. And there's no reason why you can't mix and match with these, which again is very unique. There's no reason why we couldn't put, here's the insert of the double switch that I showed you a little bit earlier. There's no reason that we can't pop that out and then pop that into here instead. Okay, so I'm not going to snap that in, but as you can see there, we can basically build this up in a modular fashion. Right, so let's take this apart now, and I'll show you the good stuff. Little screws, one at the bottom, one on the other side at the bottom. Oops, there you go, lose the screw. And then on the back, we have this last one here. Okay. Then what happens is the top slides off. Now, again, just showing you this in close-up, 3mm powder coated steel, good and solid, not going anywhere. Absolutely solid piece of engineering. Beautiful. available in white, grey and black, as I say. This is the clever piece now, and this is what a lot of electricians will like, because not only do we have the gland plate at the bottom, where we've got two stuffing glands in there at the moment, or two blind grommets effectively. Of course, you could just put a data cable through there, no problem, pass it into here, and then you've got a data point in here, or a USB charging point, whatever you want. But if you pop those out there, then of course you've got two 20mm holes there to be able to gland your armored. I'll just pop those out nicely. So you've got two nice holes there to pop your armored cables into and gland them there. Then, of course, we've got the inner sheath of the armored, but look, we've got a second compression fit in. So really, really easy to install, good solid install, no worries about not being able to gland the armored cable properly, which is always a bit of a problem when you're doing outside electrics. This then joins onto there, okay, like that, spikes into the ground, and it means then that this doesn't have to, your sockets then don't have to fit to a wall, a fence, a tree, or whatever. They can just basically sit at the edge of your garden in this nice post and be nice and easily accessible thereafter with whatever configuration you choose. So beautiful bit of kit, nice and solid and robust, easy to install, and sort of just a unique design. So 4-year manufacturer's warranty on everything Niko related. Like I say, we're the UK distributor, so contact us if you take a look at our website, which is homecontrol.uk.com, or give us a call 01656 746 766, and I'll be happy to talk to you further. So thanks for watching, guys. Take care. Bye.